In this section, we will see the concept of Hive. So, Hive is an open source data warehouse software, or we can say it as solution which is built on the top of Hadoop. Hive supports queries which are expressed in SQL like declarative language, which are also called as HiveQL, which are compiled into MapReduce jobs which are executed using Hadoop. In addition, HiveQL enables the users to plug in the customer MapReduce scripts into the queries. So the Apache Hive is an open source dataware software for reading, writing and managing the large data files which are stored directly in either the Apache HDFS, that is Hadoop Distributed File System, or other data storage systems such as Apache HBase. So the data warehouse offer organizations the ability to gather and store the enterprise information in a single conceptual enterprise repository. The basic data modeling techniques are applied to create the relationship associations between the individual data elements or the data element groups. So these associations are modeled often which used to take the form of ER diagram. The language includes the type system with support for tables containing the primitive types, that is the Hive. Now, taking further to Hive, what is Hive? As I said, it is a data warehouse infrastructure. So the features of Hive, it stores the schema in database and it produces and processes the data into HDFS. It is designed for OLAP. It provides the SQL type language for querying, which is also called as HiveQL or HQL. It is familiar, fast, accessible and extensible. So these are the features of Hive. But Hive is not a relational database. It is designed for OLTP, that is online transactional processing. We cannot do that because it is designed for OLAP, actually online transaction analysis and processing. But when we are talking about OLTP, the processing issues are there. We are not having any updates about that, and the language for real-time queries and row level updates, that is also a problem. So Hive is a data warehouse system for Hadoop which facilitates the easy data summarization, ad hoc queries and the analysis of large data set. Then the architecture of Hive. So the architecture of Hive, we can see the component diagram over here. So the user interface. Hive is a data warehouse infrastructure software that can create interaction between the user and the HDFS. So the user interfaces that Hive supports are Hive Web UI, Hive Commands Line and Hive HD Insight. Then the Metastore. Hive chooses the respective database servers to store the schema or metadata of tables, database, columns in table, the data types and the HDFS mapping. Then the HiveQL process engine. It is similar to SQL for querying on schema information on the Metastore. Then the execution engine. The conjunction part of HiveQL process engine and the MapReduce is Hive execution engine. So the execution engine processes the query and generates result as same as MapReduce results. Then the HDFS or the HBase. So the HDFS or HBase are the data storage techniques that are used to store the data file into the system. So this is how the architecture of Hive works. Now in this we can see how Hive interacts with the Hadoop framework. So now execute the query. In that the Hive interface such as command line or web UI sends the query to the driver to execute. Then in the get plan, the driver takes the help of query compiler. In the get metadata, the compiler sends metadata request, then send metadata sends the metadata as a response to compiler. Then the sending the plan, compiler checks the requirement and resends the plan to the driver. In execution of plan, the driver sends the execute plan to execute engine. In the step execute job, the process of execution job is map reduce job actually. Then in the sub step of execute job, the metadata, in this the execution engine can execute the metadata operation. After that we are fetching the results, then we are sending the results, and at the end we are sending the results to the Hive interfaces. So in this way the particular Hive can work as well as the Hive and Hadoop can work in parallel. So in this section we have seen the details of Hive, then the architecture and the working. Now in the next section we will see what is Pig. Thank you.